So referring to my presentation slide, I have shown you that we get out of the box one base environment. So here you can see a base environment. Also, there is a stable version of Python language. So we have seen earlier that we have installed Python 3.10. So let us check what version we have. So you can type Python space dash dash version. I think the Python spelling is not correct. Okay, so press enter, and here you can see we have Python 3.10 point version 9 installed in our system. Similarly, you can check Conda version as well. So if you type Conda space dash dash version, you can see Conda version as well. Also, I've said we have pre-installed packages for data science, which are open source. So let us check that as well. So you just simply type Conda list, and here you can see all the pre-installed packages, which comes by default with your Anaconda distribution. Now we will curate our own environment. So for this, first we will check how many environments are present in our system. So for this, we can use our Conda package manager. So we can type Conda info space dash dash envs. This command will show you how many environments are present in our system. So by pressing enter, you can see we have right now only one environment present, that is our default environment, base environment. So now to create environment, you can type Conda create space dash dash name and your package name. So your package name, let's for example, for the sake of this video, we will just write test underscore envs, and then you have to give your Python version. As I said over here, this is your blank canvas, so you have to manually install Python language inside your new environment. So for that, you will write Python double equal to, and by default we receive Python 3.10. So just for the sake of the video, we will give Python 3.8 and press enter. So while creating a new environment, these many packages will get installed by default. So we have Python, then we have pip. As I have discussed, we have pip as a package manager as well. So you can type Conda install and your package name, or pip install or your package name. Similarly, update or remove you can use. And these are by default packages. So if you want to proceed, you can press Y, enter. So now your new environment is created, but you are still in your base environment. So if you want to activate your new environment, you can just simply copy this, press Ctrl C, and then come over here and just right click, and that command will be pasted, and press enter. So now you can see you are in your test environment. Now if you want to check how many environments are present, so it has to be two. One has to be base and test environment, but we will check it. So we'll type Conda info space dash dash envs, press enter, and now you can see we have two environments. One is base by default and one is our newly created environment. The asterisk over here shows that in which environment we are present, so you can check it over here. The simple way is to check this way. To install package, you can simply type Conda install and your package name. So I'm installing pandas, and press enter. So while installing pandas, these many packages will get installed by default. These are the supporting packages for pandas. So if you want to proceed, you can press Y, enter. So your pandas package is now installed. Similarly, you can use pip command as well. So the command will be same, pip install pandas. Now I've already installed pandas, so I'll not use this, but I'm just showing you that you can install by just giving pip install pandas as well. To install more than one package at a time, you can simply type conda install matplotlib, that is our visualization package, and plotly, and press enter. So just by selecting those two packages, these many packages will get installed by default. So if you want to proceed, you can press Y, enter. So matplotlib and plotly are now installed. Similarly, you can use pip command as well, this one. So pip install and your package name. So now to update your packages, you can simply type conda update and your package name. So if you want to update only one package, you can simply type that package name. Or if you want to update multiple packages, you can do that by just giving a space and the package name. Or if you want to update all the packages, you can simply type conda update dash dash all. So it will update all the packages which are there in your environment. So if you press enter, all the packages in your environment will get updated. So at present, it is saying that you have a Python update. So we have installed Python 3.8, but there is a subversion as well. So Python 3.8.16. So if you want to proceed, you can press Y, enter. And now your Python 3.8 is up to date. To remove packages from your environment, you can type conda remove and your package name. So we have installed pandas, so we can remove pandas and press enter. Similarly, if you want to remove it from pip, you can type pip uninstall pandas. So there is a difference in command. So if you want to proceed, press Y, enter. So the pandas is uninstalled and Python is also degraded from 3.8.16 to 3.8.0. Also, if you want to remove more than one package at a time, you can do that by simply typing conda remove matplotlib, which we have installed earlier, and plotly, and press enter. So all the dependent packages will also get uninstalled. So if you want to proceed, press Y, enter. So your matplotlib and plotly is now removed. In order to clear the screen, you can type CLS and press enter. Now we will deactivate the environment. In order to uninstall the environment, first we will see how many environments are present. So conda info space dash dash envs, press enter. So we have two environment. One is the base environment and one is your test underscore envs. So if you want to remove test underscore envs, you can type conda env remove dash n and stands for name and your uh, environment name. So this is your environment name. Press Ctrl C and right click. But there is a problem over here. If I press enter, it will give me an error because I cannot remove the environment which I am already present in. So if I press enter, it will give me an error. Okay, you cannot remove current environment, deactivate it and run conda remove again. All right. So first we have to deactivate the environment. So there are two options to deactivate the environment. First is to type conda deactivate. So it will come out of the present environment. So if you press enter, it will come out, but you can also type conda activate base. So what you are doing is you are activating another environment. So while by pressing enter, you will land up in base environment and this will automatically get deactivated. So now you can safely remove your test underscore envs. So I am just pressing my up arrow key to toggle between the commands which I have already used. So I want this command conda env remove dash name test envs. So I press enter. So my test underscore envs environment is now removed. So in order to check how many environments are now present, you can simply press your up arrow, or you can type conda info dash dash envs, press enter. So now we have only one environment, that is default environment. You cannot remove default environment because it comes out of the box and it is hard coded inside the Anaconda distribution. Also, if you want to update your Conda, you can type Conda update Conda. So Conda can update itself. So Conda update Conda, press enter. So there is an update for Conda. Also, you notice that this proceed command yes or no is coming every time. So I'll just press N for not proceeding, press enter, and I'll just type the command again, Conda update Conda, by pressing my up arrow key, and I'll just press spacebar dash Y. So this will not prompt me to proceed yes or no, and I will press enter. So as you have seen, it has not prompted me to proceed yes or no, and it has directly started the download process. So this was it from this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. So see you all in the next video.